Welcome to the Salesforce Developer Interview Series. I'm your host, and today we'll be diving into Salesforce data modeling and management with Salesforce Developer Expert. Let's get started with this technical interview discussion. So, let's talk about data modeling and management in Salesforce. How do you approach designing a data model?
Well, to be honest, I start by understanding the business requirements and the data relationships. In a project I worked on for a retail company, we had to design a data model for tracking customer orders and interactions. We used standard objects like account and contact, and custom objects for order and order line items to capture detailed information. We ensured that relationships between these objects were well defined using lookups and master detail relationships.
That's interesting. How do you ensure data integrity in such a model?
Actually, that's a great question. We use validation rules extensively to maintain data integrity. For example, we had a rule that ensured the order status couldn't be set to shipped unless the payment was marked as completed. This was crucial in avoiding data discrepancies.
Can you explain that in more detail? I'm curious about how you handle complex validation scenarios.
Sure, let me dive deeper. We created multiple validation rules and sometimes used apex triggers for scenarios where validation logic was too complex for declarative tools. For instance, we had a trigger that would check multiple fields across different objects before allowing an update. From my experience, this approach helped us catch errors early.
And how do you deal with data migration in such projects?
Right. So for data migration, we leveraged tools like Data Loader and sometimes used Informatica for more complex transformations. We followed a phased approach where data was migrated in stages with extensive testing at each stage to ensure accuracy and completeness.
Great. Thank you for sharing those insights from your project experience. That covers data modeling and management comprehensively. Thank you for watching this interview discussion. I hope you found it helpful for your interview preparation and career growth. For more technical interview questions and content, please follow the Clear Tech Interviews channel. Good luck with your interviews.